Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can add overlay in Capcut. I'm going to give you two examples. I'm going to make an overlay between two different clips and also an overlay with light leaks. So first of all, let's do it with the light leaks. This is the main footage that I'm having, for example. It's just a view of the sea. Now I'm going to leave this light leaks on top of it, which is looking like this. So I'm going here on the basic, video basic, and on the blend, and I'm selecting the mode on screen. Then I'm leaving this light leak on top of it, and it should be looking like this. As you can see, it is glowing a bit and it's going like that. This is how it looks like if I remove it, and this is it. So now let's use it with the other video like this. I'm leaving it on top. I'm going again on the blend and I'm selecting screen. Now you can see it's looking like this. And you can also use a keyframe right here. Let's go in the beginning, create a keyframe next to 0 of opacity. Going further in the timeline, selecting another keyframe right here, and then it's going to slowly appear to this section, about 40%. It's going to hold it, so making another keyframe, and then it's going to disappear again. Opacity to 0. Now it's going to look like this. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.